Okay. Good morning, children. So, gravitation lesson once again I am explaining. Why I am explaining once again, Nana? So, tomorrow you have one exam. So, all members, I want 150 out of 50 only. Okay, 100% of marks you must be secure. So, that's why you must be listen carefully, and also you will get 50 out of 50. So which person will be led, which person will be listened? So running notes, which person will be prepared properly? That person got 100% of marks. So you must be careful. So here net is slow. So don't confuse, don't irritate. So that's why. So few minutes you can be wait. That one will be set right. Okay, Nana. Okay. Gravitation. So tomorrow, how many marks? How many beats? So how many beats, Nana? So 25 maximum marks 25 into 50. Total 50 marks, Nana. So each bit 2 marks. So number of questions. Number of questions 25. Number of questions 25. So total marks 50. So that's why time duration 1 hour. Time 1 hour. Okay, don't write fastly. You must be take some time. One time only you can be sent. You are sending 2 times, 3 times means that one is invalid. So that's why you must be sent. Submit one time only. So time will be time factor also is mentioned on the place. So 1 hour duration. So time will be over automatically. Site will be closed. So be careful. So one time you can keep answer one time. So next time also you can change, no problem. But once you can be submit, not valid. Okay. So once only you can be submitted. So understood, Nana? Maximum marks 50. Number of questions 25. Time 1 hour. So this one must be keep in your mind. Next, I can go to now revision. Okay, suppose you want to write, no problem. I have no problem. So first of all, you must be keep in your mind, you know this one, formulas. Formulas are the most important. F equal to MA. F equal to MG. Next, F equal to capital G, M1, M2 by R square, or D square also. So in this place you can be right, sometimes D also. So capital G, M1, M2 by D square, or capital G, M1, M2 by D square. This one also right, Nana. So one more formula, F formula, capital G, capital M, small m by R square or D square. R means here distance, D means also distance only. F equal to capital G, capital G, small m by R square. That one only. Suffix only. This one suffix. This one is square. So here M1, M2 are masses. Here small d is called as distance. So capital G, gravitational constant. Capital M, mass of the earth. Small m means mass of the object. Next. So here, what is F equal to ma? Newton's second law formula F equal to ma. Suppose a body is projected vertically upwards on the time, vertically downwards on the time, acceleration will be taken as acceleration due to gravity. So that's why I will be written G. So here G means what, Anna? Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. So what is capital G? Gravitational constant. So capital G means gravitational constant. So here small g value means 9.8 meter per second square. So gravitational constant 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 nm square kg power minus 2. So this one is the capital G value. So small g value, capital G value, you must be keeping in your mind. Next, M1, M2 are masses. So what is this one, Nana? This one is also called as Newton's second law. So what is Newton's second law? F equal to ma only. ఏమంటానికి మా మీనింగ్ So Newton's second law, F means force, M means mass, A means acceleration. Okay, here G means acceleration due to gravity. So these two are same. Suppose object is moving on the road, on the ground, on the time, this formula. Suppose object is moving upward direction or downward direction, on the time formula, this one only. Here acceleration place, we can take acceleration due to gravity. Okay, na? So this one after some more formulas, Nana. Okay, these formulas you must be right in classwork, Nana. Next, already written. Once again, you can practice. So this already completed, but you must be practice, only for practice. Next, some more formulas. Okay. Next, some more formulas, Nana. So what is gravitation? Any object, suppose on the universe, any object on the universe attracts other body with some force. That one is called as gravitation. Okay. So this one after some more formulas. Relation between small g and capital G. What is the relation between small g and capital G? Small g equal to capital G, capital M by R square. This one is the relation between small g and capital G. So here small g means acceleration due to gravity. Capital G means gravitational constant. This means mass. This means radius of the earth. So what is the relation between small g and capital G? Means small g equal to capital G, capital M by R square. That one only. Next, you know this formula, potential energy formula, mgh. Kinetic energy formula, half mv square. So this one also keep in your mind. So m means mass, g means acceleration due to gravity, h means height. Kinetic energy formula, half mv square. That one you know very well. Next, gravitational potential energy, P dot E, has one more formula, minus capital G, capital M, minus capital G, capital M, small m by R. This one only, minus capital G, capital M, small m by R. So kinetic energy formula of mv square, you know very well. Potential energy formula, minus capital G, capital M, small m by R. Next, so what is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum? That one also, one proof also I will be explaining. That one, Nana. relation between kinetic energy and momentum. So how can you explain? So Ke equal to half mv square. Suppose you don't know formula. Like this only you can write them. You know formula? P equal to mv. So V equal to P by M. So substitute P by M whole square. So half M into P square by M into M. This can be right like this now. MM cancel. So P square by 2M. So kinetic energy formula P square by 2M. This one only. So suppose in examination they can be asked like this. What is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum? So K equal to P square by 2M only. Okay. Understood what is the question? The relation between kinetic energy and momentum. K equal to P square by 2M. Okay. Next. So this one after one more formula, centripetal force and centrifugal force. Centripetal force. What is centripetal force? Okay, the force which acts toward the center of the circle, that is called as centripetal force. The force which acts away from the center of the circle is called as centrifugal force. So, but formula is same, both has magnitude and value also same, F equal to mv square by r. So this one is the centripetal force formula. Centrifugal force also same formula only. Centripetal force or centrifugal force. So this one only. For example, you can see here, suppose a particle is there, this one is the radius r. The force which acts toward the center of the circle. Suppose here P particle is there, that one will be moves toward the center of the circle. This one is called as, so here how much force we are applying? F bar force. So this one is called as centripetal force. The force which acts toward the center of the circle, that is called as centripetal force. The force which moves away from the center of the circle is called as centrifugal force. None. So during centrifugal force, one more formula is there. Tan theta equal to V square by RG. So theta equal to tan inverse V square by RG. Okay. So we are constructing some roads. So curved roads. So for example, Tirumala Hills, next Harsley Hills, Kodaikanal, on that place dead curves. So many curves, just like snake will be moving, like roads will be prepared. So they will be constructed roads at on curves like this place. Suppose here, this one is a road. So here also all places are road only, but here they will be constructed like this only. Why we are giving some patches like here they will be prepared with cement road. So here cement road will be keeping some up and down, some angles. They will be made with some angle. Due to that reason only, So vehicles are not skid. Otherwise, vehicles will be skid and accidents will be came. So due to that reason only, here they will be constructed cement roads. So road and road, two road. So two patches. So in these patches, some gap will be arranged. Due to that reason, friction will be decreased. On the time formula, tan theta equal to v square by rg. Theta equal to tan inverse v square by rg. Next, acceleration due to gravity. So according to acceleration due to gravity, which factors are affected acceleration due to gravity? So for example, height, next depth. So height is also called as altitude. Height, depth at equator. Next, local conditions. Next, at poles. Center of the earth. So these are the important factors affected G value. Which factors are affected G value? That is our question. So which factors are affected, Nana? Here you can be observed height. We can move upside. Suppose this one is Earth. Here we are moving upward direction. We can move up. Some boys video will be so not in mute position. Who is that fellow? Gagan. Rupesh. Gagan okay, Nana, very good. Rupesh only. Rupesh is in unmute position. Rupesh, first of all, you can go to mute. Okay, Nana. So here you can be observed the object is in moving in upward direction. So we can move up. Acceleration due to gravity will be increased or decreased? Decrease. At height, altitude, decrease. So decreased. Suppose we can move inside. So we can go deep inside. Up. This one is up. This one is down. So you can go deep inside of the earth. On the time also decreased. So at which place maximum, Nana? That is most important. Poles maximum. At poles maximum. At equator minimum. At equator minimum. Very less only. Local conditions slightly affected. So something only affected, someone only affected, less amount only affected. Next, at center of the air, this one already you know very well, Anna. So at center, we went to center, we can finding the center of the air. On that place, you can keep with weighing machine. You can keep on the place, you can stand on the place. That one is zero position. Why? Small g value is zero. That's why acceleration due to gravity zero means your weight also zero only. So that's why center of the air, your weight equal to zero. Not only your weight, my weight also zero only. Any person weight also zero only. Okay. So at any person, weight is zero at center of the air. Center of the air. Why your weight is zero? Acceleration due to gravity is there on the place zero. That's why your weight also zero, my weight also zero. Any person weight also zero only. Okay, so at poles, G value is maximum. Maximum. That's why G value is maximum means on that place we are preparing food, very difficulty. So on that place you want to cut the carrot, the knife will be gems. We can't cut on the place. Very difficulty due to acceleration due to gravity is maximum. Suppose the egg fell down on the time, that one will be not breaks. That one is like a stone. Now you want to break means immediately you can heat up. You can heat sometime, then you can break, that will be breaks. Otherwise, that one will be not breaks. So here, comparing to knife and carrot, which one is strong? Carrot is very strong on that place. That's why we are we are using the force on that one. The knife will be jumps away from that place. Why? Acceleration due to gravity is maximum on that place. Due to that reason only, that is very difficult. Okay. So at poles over, local conditions over, next height will be over, depth will be over. So how many factors affected G value? 6 factors are affected. Which one is most important factor, Nana? This one is most important. So sixth one is most important. This one is the most important factor. So on the place G value is zero. Due to that reason, that one is very important for you. Okay, na? At maximum, which place G value is maximum? At poles, G value is maximum. At which place G value is minimum? At equator, G value is minimum. You can go upside, decrease. You can go inside, decrease. At center of there, zero. Okay, Nana? Next, local condition. So local condition means what? What is local condition, Nana? Local condition means our surrounding areas only. Suppose you went to coal mines area. You went to bauxite area. You went to gold mines area. On that place, you go inside. You can go to near the soto minerals. That minerals will be affected. Due to that reason, that one is also called as local condition means topography. On the place, G value will be slightly affected. Suppose you can change that area, you can move away from that area, G value will be changed. You can go to that area, G value will be increased or decreased. That means what? Slowly. That means someone only changed, increased or decreased. That process local condition means that surroundings is also called as topography. What? Local condition means here topography. Local conditions explained means what? Topography. Understood topography? So, okay, understood Nana, acceleration due to gravity, which factors are affect? About this question, this concept, minimum 2 to 3 questions are there in examination. So be careful. So you can be observe carefully about this topic. 3 questions are there. Okay, na? Next. So this one after one more question, Nana, about this one only. How to measure gravity? How to measure acceleration due to gravity? This one has any instrument? Yes. Is it instrument is there? That is called as gravity meter. So how can you measure acceleration due to gravity? We can be measured one instrument that is called as gravity meter. So give me some examples of gravity meters. So many types of gravity meters are also is there. For example, Boliden gravity meter. Boliden gravity meter. Gulf gravity meter. Athora gravity meter. Okay, so these are the main examples for gravity meters. So many types of gravity meters are there. Give me some examples means Boliden gravity meter, Gulf gravity meter, Athora gravity meter. Okay, so these are the important gravity meters. How can you find acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration due to gravity can be find one instrument. What is the name of the instrument? Gravity meter. So gravity meters also different. So thermometers, you know, are different of thermometers. Like only gravity meters also different gravity meters are there. But what three examples? Boliden gravity meter, Gulf gravity meter, Athora gravity meter. Okay, Nana? Next, this one after another one. Next, basic forces in nature. That one also I will be explained. What are the basic forces in nature? Four forces. Already explained this one also. So first one, what is first one? Gravitational force. First one is gravitational force. Gravitational force. Next one, weak nuclear force. Strong nuclear force. Next, electrostatic force. That one is also called as electromagnetic force. So why I am written this one after this one only? So weak after and strong also I can be write easily. So here the values, comparing to values, strong nuclear force is very big one. So 10 power 1, 10 power 31, 36, 38. 10 power 1, 10 power 31. This one is 10 power 38, Nana. So 10 power 36. So 10 power 36. So due to that reason only, I will be written strong nuclear force last line only. Okay. Here you can be observed gravitational force 10 power 1. So weak nuclear force 10 power 13. Sometimes this one will be taken as 1 also, no problem. Okay, this one is very small. This one is a long range force. This one is a very weak force. That's why this one is 10 or 10 power 1 or 1 also you can take it. Some books 1 only taken, some books 10 power 1 only taken. Next, weak nuclear force 10 power 31. Next, electromagnetic force 10 power 36. Strong nuclear force 10 power 30. Okay, na? These values also must be keep in your mind. So about this one question is there. That's why you must be keep in your mind. So how many fundamental forces? Give me some examples of fundamental forces in nature. Fundamental forces means this one only. Okay, gravitational force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force. These are the fundamental forces, starting forces. So these are very, very important in our nature. That's why these forces. The values also must be keep in your mind, Anna. Next, about these four forces, I will ask some questions. So which one is a weak force? Weakest force in comparing to four. Weakest force is gravitational force. Strongest force is strong nuclear force. This force is there in between atom. Atom contains nucleus, no? So in nucleus. So nucleus. So what are the fundamental particles? So for example, in atom, what are the fundamental particles in atom? Electron, proton, neutron. What is the charge of electron? Negative. What is the charge of proton? Positive. What is the charge of neutron? Zero. Okay. These are the fundamental particles in atom. Okay. Atom is in which shape? Spherical. What is the shape of atom? Spherical shape. Total mass is located at which place in atom? Center of the atom only. The center is also called as nucleus. Okay. Remaining part totally empty. Total mass is located at center only. Atom is very small particle. That one is not visible. We can't see our naked eye. So that one weight is how much, understood now. So nucleus means that one also very small. Atom is small, then inside particle very small only. Okay. Nucleus consists proton and neutron. So atom consists electron, proton, neutron. But nucleus consists means only proton and neutron. That is most important. So what is the charge of neutron? Zero. That is most important. What is the charge of neutron? Zero. Okay, na? Next, this one after another one is your weight on moon. How to find your weight on moon? About that question also. One question is compulsory about that concept. So generally G value on Earth is small g. Earth small g value. Earth small g. Moon 1/6 part. G by 6. 1/6 part will be decreased on moon. Okay. For example, my weight is 36 kgs on Earth. So on moon, how much, Nana? 36. G value by 6, that's why 6 are that equal to 6 kgs. So 36 kgs on Earth, but 6 kgs on moon. So this type of question, one question is there in the examination. Okay, your weight will be decreased. How much part? G by 6 part or 1/6 part will be decreased. So by using of this one, we have given one value, that one will be divided, you will get answer. So sometimes points also came. For example, 44 kg is given. You have given 44 kg. On moon equal to how much? 44/6. So 6 is 36. 6 7s are 42. But some points will be came. That's why on the time write like this: 44, 6, 42, 2.0. 6 3s are 18. 2. Mala, 6 3s are 18. So this one will be continuously came. That's why 7.33 kgs. 7.33 kgs. Suppose they can view sometimes 7.34 kgs also. This one also correct only. This one also correct only. So nearest value, which one is nearest value? That is the correct answer. Sometimes 7.34. Suppose 7.33, no problem. 7.3 is given, no problem. 7.3 also correct. So which one is the nearest value? Nearest value is, you can first of all you can find nearest value, then only give the answer. But don't go fastly, slowly. You must be maintain average speed. That is most important. Okay, understood, Nana? So this one how to solve? So this one will be must be divided with 6 only, not other number. Okay, na? 1 by 6 part only decrease. That's why you must be divide 6th part 1 by 6 only. Okay, next. So I can give one problem. You now only you can solve, Nana. The weight of 400 grams stone is dash. Okay, solve now. The weight of 400 grams stone is dash. So this type of problem, so many problems I will be explained. So now solve. Workout cheyala. Workout cheyakunda ettu sir ante etla. Formula W equal to mg nana. Kabatti try cheyandi. One number after point. Here also one number, two number. Point. Two numbers here, here. Okay. Completed, Nana? 0.6 is that. Wrong. Anybody completed, Nana? 6.66 sir. Voice వినపడుతుందా నాన్న? సార్ అందరూ 6.66 అన్నారు సార్. చూడండి, W equal to mg. M equal to ఎంత నాన్న? 400 grams means by 1000. So here M is given in CGS system. Okay, so G value is 9.8. So two zeros get cancelled. So this one is 0.4 into 9.8. So 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36, 3, 39. So how many numbers after point? Two numbers backside and 3.92 newtons. So W equal to 3.92 newtons. So this is the answer. Okay, answer వచ్చిందా? 65.66 అని పెడతాను. Don't send messages. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. One more problem, Nana.
No, sir.
So now 900, Nana.
No problem.
900. Weight of 900 grams stone is. weight of 900 grams, okay, answer came, Nana. So here you can be observed same formula, W equal to mg only. M means what? 900 by 1000 into 9.8. So two zeros, 0.9 into 9.8. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. So 882. Two numbers after point, 8.82 newtons. So this one also write like this, 8.9 newtons also, no problem. So W equal to 8.9 newtons only. Okay. In round figure, 8.9 newtons. Next, without solving, I want answer. Okay. Without solving, you can say answer. I can give one more question, Anna. $500 grams, Nana. Without solution, without solving, I want answer. You can send message. Through message, you can send, Nana, now. Very good, excellent. Rishikesh, very good. 4.9 newtons only. Very good, super. Without solving. Okay, 4.9. 400 grams means 3.9 will become. 500 grams means 4.9. 800 grams means 7.9. Part not 49, 4.9. Okay, very good. So many members solved this problem. Very good, excellent. About this problem, about this model, so many questions, at least 2 questions are there in examination. Okay, enough. Don't send any messages, Nana. Next, stop messages. Unnecessary messages, don't send. Okay, time will be over. Okay, so many members solved. Okay. Now one more problem, Nana. Mass equal to 20 kgs. Weight equal to question mark. Now solve the problem, Nana. So mass equal to 20 kgs. Find the weight. Mass means small m. Here small m is given. Okay. Now find Nana. W. What is the weight formula? W equal to mg by using of this formula only. Same formula. Okay. M means 20, Nana. So 9.8. So multiplied, you will get answer. M equal to how much, Nana? 20. Here no need to change in system. So G value is 9.8. So 0.20 cancel. So 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 196. So W equal to kg weight, R newtons. So generally kg weight only you can write down, no need to others. Okay. 19.6 wrong, Nana. 196. Here you can be observed 0 is there. So multiplied with this one will be 9.8. This one will be also right like this, Nana. So 20 into 98 by 10. So 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 196. 196 only. So this type of unit is most important. Kg weight or Newton, you must be keep that one. That is most important. Okay. Next, one more model. Next question, Nana. Weight is 900 kg. Now mass is 30 kg. Now find G value. Now find G value. So this question also solving after send through message. Same formula, Nana. Same model. Okay, completed. Very good, excellent. Here you can see, Nana, we know one formula, W equal to mg. So G equal to W by M. W means 900. M means what, Nana? 30. 0, 0 cancel. 3 3s are 30. 30. Unit is most important. So what is actually 9.8 meter per second square? So that's why 30 meter per second square. Unit, there is no unit means not written, unit means wrong answer. So 30 meter per second square is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, Nana. All the best. Tomorrow you must be right neatly 7:10 to 8:10 exam for you. Okay. Okay. Bye. All the best.